Yeah, you need to write in a such a way that the you need to use this substring in such a way that wherever these product numbers are having this size everything, right? So you have to separate it. Basically, BK should come in a separate column, and this middle number is there, right? Product number that has to come separately, and size should come separately. And if there is no size, you have to show it as null actually. Okay, can you try this? Can everyone try and tell me the query? Are you trying? You can take a few rows actually. Okay, not all the rows. So you can draw the table in your notes. Okay, so you can just take this table name as T1, and my column name will be like same product. Okay, and in this we have totally 5 rows. Now the output what I need is, okay, it says shortcut name AR, and shortcut name would be AR. Second column name is product number. That is whatever we have, right? That 5381, and the third column would be size, and here it is. In the same way, all the 5 rows data should be printed in the final output under 3 different columns. Okay, so can you use the string functions and tell me the query, everyone? Do you understand the requirement?
Yes.
Everyone? Yeah. If you didn't understand the question, please let me know. I can explain to you. Yeah, the question is, we have a column and where we do have shortcut name and product number, and after second hyphen we have the sizes, and some of the product doesn't have the size. Now what you need to show is everything you need to separate it. The shortcut name, product number, and the size, everything we have to separate and put it under 3 different columns. Okay, so basically you need to write a select query, use the string functions to separate these values under 3 different columns. Is it fine? Yeah. So everyone try this, and just whomsoever completed, just message me, or you can just speak out. You can use any string functions. Okay, but the query should be dynamic completely. I think these two rows you can ignore it. Why? Because to write down expression for this, we require to complete one concept called case statement. Okay, so you can ignore this and just write only for these three rows. And here it should be a for, and here it should be M94S. Okay, write down for this. Let me know when it is finished.
Sir, you want us to write this query in notebook or in the
Anything
SSMS?
is fine. If you want to write in notepad, I mean in notebook, you can write it and you can tell me the query.
Okay, okay, sir.
Finished? Anyone?
So shall I?
Yes, please.
Select.
Let me write it.
Yes.
Select
Select left of.
left off.
Open braces.
Okay.
Inside the square bracket.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Product number.
Mm-hmm.
Comma 2.
Comma. Comma what?
Comma 2, sir.
No, your voice is breaking.
Comma 2.
Yeah. After comma?
2. Number 2.
2.
Yes, sir. 2.
Now I need dynamic query.
Sir, I can tell you.
Yeah.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. Who is this?
Suraj.
Yeah, please.
Select left.
Yeah.
Open braces. Product number.
Mm-hmm.
Comma char index.
Mm-hmm.
Single the open brace.
Mm-hmm.
Single quotes.
Okay.
Comma product number.
Single quota.
Yes, sir. Single quote.
Are you sure?
Your
Yes,
single
yes.
quotes will not come. Instead of single quotes, you need to use hyphen.
Here hyphen is the clue, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If one
You have to find out the hyphen. Yeah. Then.
product number.
Mm-hmm.
Close braces.
Mm-hmm.
-1. Close braces. This is for the left dynamic query or
Okay.
shortcut. Yes. From that table. For a right dynamic query, select.
No, you need to
No,
write one
but-
more select because this is a table, right? You can put comma and you can write down next one likewise. Okay.
Means in a single table from a single
Yes.
table only.
Yes.
Select right.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Sorry, right.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Open brace.
Mm-hmm.
Product number.
Mm-hmm.
Comma length.
Mm-hmm.
Open brace. Product number.
Equals to.
Minus.
No, that's close braces. Minus char index. Open brace.
Mm-hmm.
Hyphen within the single quotes.
Mm-hmm.
Comma
Mm-hmm.
product number.
Mm-hmm.
Comma char index.
Mm-hmm.
Open braces.
So again it will not come.
No, let him tell. Yeah, tell me.
Comma product number. Single braces.
Mm.
+1 and close braces.
Okay.
As the product as the size.
1 second.
Yes,
The
use
last one
right
single
and
braces.
As size, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Next.
Next substring.
Mm-hmm.
Open braces.
String.
Open brace. Product number. Comma char index. Open brace. Hyphen within the single quotes. Comma product number. Close brace. +1.
Mm-hmm.
comma, okay, char index,
Hey, tell me.
char index 2 times, sir, up to that's char index
Okay.
as copy paste -1,
Minus.
just simply minus char index,
Mhm.
char index single quotes hyphen with sorry comma, where it is, char index hyphen within the single quote, comma, product number, double braces close,
Okay.
one more close braces, left one, right,
Okay.
-1 close brace,
Okay. -1.
close brace
Close brace for substring. Okay.
is as a, what is that, product numbers.
Okay. Is that correct? Anyone?
Sir, as a size before, I think you have to remove one close braces as a size before.
Where? Size?
Yes. Yeah.
No, this is fine because for right, you have to put one more close braces, right?
The close brace is fine, sir.
This is fine actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's execute, sir.
From my table,
From the table production dot
my production dot
product.
table. Okay. Now the thing is, when you execute this, 1 second, there is a column name is mismatch.
Product number.
Okay, let's execute and see. Okay, I'm getting an error. I'll tell you the reason behind that.
Yes.
See, whatever the formula you applied, just a second, please. Sorry. So why this error is because of, whatever formula we applied for what, for this for these three words, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Not for the this kind of things, correct?
Yes.
So the problem over here is, so let me show you. When it is finding the second hyphen, it's not there here, correct?
Yeah.
So because of that reason, it is throwing an error for us. Okay. So let me show you substring of where exactly it is going in error. I'll show you. So substring of, we have applied this product number, comma. So what is the first hyphen position there?
3.
3, correct?
Yeah.
No, yeah, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, correct?
Oh, yes.
Now this is fine. And what is the second char index position here?
Oh, it is not there.
It is not there, 0, right?
Oh, let me see.
0 minus, what is the again first char index position?
The
Minus
3
3.
1. 3.
I mean 3, correct?
3 minus 1.
So open brace and close brace and then -1, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
So now in this case, here what exactly we'll get? Here it will come as 4. The starting position is 4, and here it will come as -4, correct?
Yes.
Are you agree with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now what it is stating that start with 4, and it is telling that go back to -4 letters, correct? So in a SQL server, we can go, friend, but we cannot go to back actually in the, case of string functions. So that's the reason when I'm executing this, see, it is showing invalid length parameter used for left or substring function. Okay, either this or that. So basically for substring, it is throwing an error, not for the left actually. Maybe in the left also, right? No, not left.
Left is
Right
correct.
function also, here we are taking two second care index position, correct?
Yeah.
So here second care index position is 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there also it is a problem. So that's why what I mean to say here is we just want to execute only for the keywords which are having three words actually. We want to execute all the product numbers so which are having 3 words. Okay. Now tell me how do I filter that? Basically, I need to apply for this, correct? For these product numbers. Tell me how do I filter? What is the clue between the above one and below one?
You can
Size.
use R3.
Clue I'm asking. How do I filter this?
One more hyphen.
Hyphen.
Hyphen, right? Here we have only one hyphen is there. Here we have two hyphens are there, correct?
Yes, sir.
So basically we need to extract. I mean extract means we need to filter the product
From
numbers
hyphen only.
which are having two hyphens, correct?
Yes, sir.
How do you find out two hyphens here?
Sir, by substring.
By substring, huh?
Yes, sir.
What else?
And
What else? See, basically I need to find a count of 2.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
count of hyphens. How many hyphens are there?
Replace.
Can we use the replace
We'll
function?
go with pat index.
We can go for
Pattern.
pat index will not help us in this. Pat
No.
index will give only first
Okay.
hyphen position.
We can answer.
Sorry.
Yeah. We can go.
Okay, let me tell you. Just mute everyone. There are multiple cases, guys. Here. Okay, we can write it in multiple. First one is find out the number of hyphens. Can you please mute everyone? Om, can you please mute? Okay. So there are many ways to retrieve it actually. Let me show you all the ways. Okay. So first of all, to find out hyphen counts. Okay. So what exactly we can do is, so we can use that replace function, replace of hyphen, sorry, replace of product number, comma, and then, sorry, length minus, right? Sorry. Total length
minus length
minus length of
replace
of okay
yes,
hyphen number of hyphen without spaces, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is what we use to find out the number of hyphens in a column, right?
Yes.
Let me just execute and see what exactly it will give us.
Yeah, we'll get here.
For all the rows, can you see wherever the product numbers having only one hyphen, it is giving 1, and wherever it is 2, it is giving 2, correct?
By where class we can.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
This one, yeah, in where class we can write this expression, and wherever 2 equals to there, we will get it only those products, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is one way of getting. The another way is, so you can use a char index here. Okay. So in char index, you can write to find out second char index position. Okay. So this is the expression, right? To find out second char index position. Am I right?
Yes,
Close
sir.
bracket. So now when I'm finding the second char index position, wherever the second hyphen is there, so then it will be showing that position. If it is not there, it is showing 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
So which means how do you write a where class using this one?
Where column name.
So where no, you should not write column. You have to write the entire expression. And see if the second hyphen is there, which means when you use a char index, there will be a position for that, correct? It will be more than 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
When I'm using a char index to find out the second hyphen position, okay, and if there is a second hyphen in the product number, for sure the position will be greater than 0, right?
We need to give not 0.
Yeah, not equals to 0 also fine, or greater than 0 also fine. Okay, and when you write this one, what you need to do in a where class? For an example, if you write this one, what exactly we have to take?
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1 or equals to 2, anything is fine, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So number wherever there are 2 hyphens are there, so we just need to bring it, correct?
Mhm.
Are you getting it, everyone? Any doubts? So either of the condition we can use, okay? And you have to completely write the whole char indexes case. Why? Because we cannot use the alias columns in where class. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why. Okay. So anything is fine. You can use this or this one, anything is fine, no issues. And you go and execute. Now you can see. Are you getting it now? We are right.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, which are the product numbers which are having single hyphen, right? Those are excluded actually. Clear?
Yes.
Let me know if anyone have any questions here.
Vinod, can you explain this where class?
Where class? Huh? See, basically in there are 3 classes here, correct?
Yeah.
It will go to from class first, then where, then select, correct?
Mhm.
So when it is going to where class, it will execute this complete syntax, correct? Complete string function.
Correct.
What this function will do? What
It will give
this
second
complete string
hyphen
function will do? What?
Okay.
second hyphen
Position of second.
So it is going to first it is going to find out the first hyphen product number wherever hyphen is there, not equals to 0, right? So
No. Just tell me what this will do. Char index of hyphen product number, comma char index of hyphen product number plus 1. This expression is for what?
that goes to second
It will
hyphen,
find 2 hyphens, sir.
Yeah, basically,
second hyphen, and it
one
goes to the
second.
next character.
Yes, basically this will give us second hyphen position, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Now there are some products which do have second hyphen, and there are some product number which doesn't have that hyphen, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, so wherever what condition we have written,
Not
it
equals to
is
0.
not equals to 0, which means so some of the products doesn't have that second hyphen, right? So the position will be 0,
Correct.
Yes, sir.
right? But when the position is 0, I'm excluding those records, correct? And when the position is not equal to 0, then I'm considering, which means that the product numbers which are having 2 hyphens, we are getting it. You see. And if you want, I can show you one more thing. So the original column name and the second hyphen position. Okay. You see here. Here second hyphen is not there, correct?
Correct.
The position is 0.
Correct.
And here the second hyphen is there, the position is 8, which is more than 0, right?
Correct.
So now whatever the expressions I'm writing, that is mainly for these cases, not for the above case.
Correct.
So that's the reason I'm just filtering out the records. I mean these records which are having 2 hyphens actually. So that's where I have written this expression. Okay.
Yeah.
The another way of writing is just to find out the whether 2 hyphens are there or not using length and replace function. Yesterday we have written one function to find out count of A's, count of commas. Correct.
Yeah.
So same way, to find out hyphens, we can use the same expression, right? Length of column name minus length of replace of, and we need to replace hyphen without spaces.
Correct.
So then we'll get the count. How many hyphens are there? Correct.
Yes.
Now in the where class, what you need to do? It is equals to 2, right?
Correct.
The count of hyphens equals to 2. Then we need to write expression for that. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any other questions? Anyone?
Sir, here before
Yes, tell me.
len function you have used, no, sir? Len function you can-
Either of the where?
Before, sir, here.
Either of the
Where-
function you can use. That's what I said.
Sir,
One second.
Our-
Let her complete. Let her complete. Wait. Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, we can use where clause or len function, sir. Along
No,
with
in
len
where
function.
class, either you can use this char index not equals to 0, or
Okay.
you can use this where class length function equals to 2. Either way, it is fine. Both are same.
Okay, sir.
That's what I said. Okay. I'll just comment out and you write down both. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, in the line number 3 and 98.
Mhm.
Okay. Sir, we already mentioned this query after where. Okay, we already mentioned this means it has to be the two places hyphen over the two places. Then why we are putting this condition? Either we can put greater than 0.
Yeah, see, it is our wish. Either you can put greater than 0 or not
Equal to
equal to.
0.
Both are same, right?
Either equal to 0.
Equals to 0 means what will happen?
No, either equal to 2.
Either equals to 2. See, we should not put equals to 2 because we don't know where exactly the hyphen will be. Correct. Second hyphen will be.
Okay.
It can be at second position, it can be at 5th position, it can be at 10th position, right?
Okay.
That's the reason I had put it as greater than 0. It can be at any position, but it should not be 0, right?
Okay, sir.
That's the reason. Okay. So
Okay.
either you can put equals greater than 0,
Okay.
or you can put not equals to 0, or you can put greater than or equals to 1, or you can put exclamation equals to exclamation is not equals, sorry, equals to 0. It is not equals to 0, right? Basically. One second.
Yes.
Product number is not equals to. One second. How do you write this? Equals to exclamation.
Sorry,
That
first
says
is
not equals to.
exclamation first. Exclamation is equal to.
Sorry. Exclamation equals to 0, which means this is also not equals to 0. Correct. Yeah. These many ways we can write actually. In this case, you can directly put equals to 2 because we have to, at least if you have a second hyphen, right? Then you have to go and apply it.
So for the second hyphen, it is going to make null here. I mean,
For
null in the
second
sense.
hyphen? Yeah, for
It is
second
going to.
hyphens, we have this one, right?
Yeah, that one.
So here what it will do, first it will find out the whole length, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then what it will do, wherever hyphens are there, it will replace with without spaces.
Yes.
Okay, so which means this length of this one minus
Yeah.
length of
Hyphen.
hyphens will get replaced, right?
Yes.
This one. So total length low, if you remove this one, the remaining characters will be hyphens only.
Hyphens. Yeah.
Yeah. And the length will be given over there. And if it is equals to 2, then only we are retrieving those records. Clear?
Yeah.
Any other questions? Anyone?
Purpose of using len function is remove the hyphens, sir, here.
Which one? This one?
A len function we are using now, sir, here.
This one only, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, see, replace function will use to replace hyphens with without spaces. After that, see, you cannot directly, minus characters with characters, right? That's why here I have used length function. So first it will replace hyphens, and this is the characters we have. And for these characters, length function will find out the length.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, length function won't replace anything. Any other questions? If no, you can just write down this till here. And you can draw at least a few rows as input.
Scroll up.
I mean already, sorry?
Scroll up.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, draw the above table also. T1 table you can draw. This is the output, and this is the query for that. Finished?
No, sir.
Finished?
Yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So below that, you can write one point. Make a note and write down. String functions can be used in select where order by group by classes. Okay, in these many classes, we can use the string functions. Now, as of now, we use it in the select and where classes, right? So going forward, we will be using in order by and group by also. There is a group by class. It will come later. Right on this point. Then,
Yeah.
okay. there is a one very important interview question will be there, and this question will be fixed actually. And yeah, let me just write down declare threat of string varchar of 100 and equals to, for an example, and okay. So here between each and every keyword, we don't know how many number of spaces are there. They might give 100 or 20 or 30 spaces are there. Okay, between each and a keyword. Ultimately, what they need is in the final output. Maybe I'll just put it as new string. Yep. The output what they required here is one space between each and every keyword. Getting it? In between each and every keyword, I don't know how many number of places spaces will be there, but ultimately you need to write it in such a way that it has to be only one space between the each keyword. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to everyone. So can you try and let me know the answer for this? You can use any string function whichever you want. Can you try and let me know? I understand the question, everyone.
Sir, repeat once again.
So here in the given string, we don't know how many spaces are there. So between each and every keyword, this is a full sentence.
Oh.
This is a full sentence, and in between each and every keyword, there are spaces actually, and we don't know how many number of spaces are there. So in the final output, you need to give one space between each and every. And how do you achieve using string functions?
Can we go with the replace?
No, you can just work on it and let me know the answer. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Did anyone got the idea? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Any idea?
To me, it knows.
No. Okay.
First one and the last one we can, but middle.
Anyway, I'll tell you. Don't worry.
Sir,
Yeah.
first we take first alphabetical all A and apple A, and then go with this
No, we
space.
cannot say
No.
everything.
I
The entire
tried
sentence you have to apply.
I tried with replace, but still the spaces are not completely
Yes,
going.
yes, correct. Yeah. Okay, let me tell you. There are multiple spaces in between every keyboard, correct? So what we will do is first each space replace with two characters or two integers or two special characters. Anything we can take. For an example, each space I'm going to replace with 1, 2. Anything you can take 2, 3, 4, 5, greater than, less than, any two special characters or two numbers. It is your wish. Okay. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So now select, just observe it. Okay. Replace of @ new string, and each space, one space we have to provide now between once this quotes. Okay. I'm going to replace with 1, 2, guys. That two, it should be in single quote because entire sentence is in characters. Okay. So what is the output here?
And everything.
We are going to get for that space 1.
You see, every space will fill up with 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If there are 10 spaces, how many 1, 2s will come?
20.
20. Correct.
So, okay.
If there are 5 spaces, there are 10 1, 2s will come. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah. And now on top of this, I'll write outer query. Okay.
Replace with,
And what I will do, let me just take. Okay. Now between Anne and Apple. Okay. Between Anne and Apple, can you see how many? See, I am going to leave first one and last two. Okay. First one and last two. How many tuples will come? 2 1 tuples.
18.
18. Can you see 1, 2,
3, 4,
3,
5, 6.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
Okay.
14, 21 tuples are there. Tuple and Chatani. Okay, na? Understand?
Yes.
So now these two ones I'll go and replace without spaces. What will happen without spaces means 2 1 means without spaces means this will get removed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Basically all 2 1s will get removed and nothing will be there in between 1 and 2, correct? And same thing will happen everywhere, right?
Yes.
All 2 1s will get replaced with without spaces, and in between each and every keyword 1 and 2 will be there. Am I right? For that you need to do replace of. Okay, for this one input will be this one, this, correct? Are you getting it? For second
sir.
replace
Yeah,
function,
Yes, sir.
output of this one will be act like an input for this replace function.
Yeah.
Yes.
Comma. Now what you need to replace here?
Single quotes without
2 1
space.
with
Single quote.
I mean without
2 1.
space.
With what we have to replace?
2 1 2 1.
2 1 needs to replace with
Single quotes.
without spaces. Correct?
Yeah, without space.
Now you go and execute and see what is the output. Can you see this is what I said? All 2 1s will get. See, if you put again here one space now, then it would be a problem. So you see what will happen. we'll get the same thing, but in between 1 and 2, we do have that spaces actually. Okay. So now 14 spaces will be there. So without spaces, you have to replace. Now on top of this, what you can do, tell me?
Replace 1, 2
Again,
by
we are going to
space.
run one
Replace.
more.
1, 2 can be replaced with single space.
Space. Yes.
Replace of. Now for this replace function, what is the input? This total will be this total replace output will be act like input for this replace function, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So comma single quote.
1,
What we have to replace? 1, 2 should replace with
single quote.
one single space, correct?
space. Yes.
Yes.
Now let it be n number of spaces. The same logic will applicable, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, guys. This is very, very, very important. Okay.
Here in the second query itself, why can't we remove it?
In second query itself, in the second replace, right?
Sorry, second replace.
See, in the second replace, if you replace 1, 2 with without spaces or with spaces, okay, so everything will get replaced and the same thing will come. I mean, without spaces, it will come. So for an example, let me take out this salt query and I'll put it over here. Just listen. So I'll just remove this. Okay. So now in the second one, if you give one space, and that too 1, 2, if you are removing, there are 1, 2 right in between. If you put one space between that, see what will happen. Everywhere it will be coming as same thing will come basically. Okay. See, whatever we are doing here, we are doing reverse over here, right?
Got it. So
Yes.
for each and every 1, 2 place, it is going to bring a space.
Exactly.
Okay.
Anyone have any questions here? Hello?
No, we are good.
Anyone have any questions? It's very important intro question. No, it won't work actually. Whatever you have given. Yeah. Okay. And in place of 1, 2, what you can put less than or greater than also, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can put less than or greater than, but while replacing here, it should be greater than and less than, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? And here greater than and here less than greater. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'll give you both the syntaxes and you can write down, and whichever you want comfortable you can take out. All right, let's go. Okay, I'll copy and paste. I'll do it again. Very, 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 very important and easy. Same adutadana. Syntax might be, I mean, this sentence might be different, but the question answer remains same. Any two characters, sorry, any two integers or special characters you can take. Don't take characters, sir. Why? Because same characters might be present in your sentence, correct?
Oh, yeah.
So that will get replaced. So that's the reason I'm taking either of two integers or special characters, whichever it is not there in this sentence. Okay.
This is dynamic query, right?
Yes, it is dynamic, because if I give few more spaces here, see, still my query will return the output. See what happens. Okay, it's because of length actually. Here 100 only we have given, na? That's why it got truncated. If I'm giving more, I'll be getting the data. Okay.
Sir, in case of an apple and a, if you write anything, it will take, right?
Sorry.
You have written an apple and a, if you write anything, it will take.
Sorry.
I will take. No, he's asking, instead of an apple a day, if you had some other sentence,
you can take anything. You can take anything. No issues. Okay. It will work. This will work. because it's a dynamic query. If you want, who asked this question?
Roshan, sir.
Roshan is a intelligent boy. Now you can see. For this will also it will work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, only replace function is used here, or can we do?
Yeah, only replace can be used, not any other functions. Okay. This is fixed query. Okay.
Okay.
And count of that commas is that is also fixed. For part index, I'll give you the scenario later because it requires to finish the while loop function. Then only you can understand that. So whenever I'm explaining the while loop function, I'll explain you this part index when exactly we can use that, and that is also very important interview question. Done.
Vinod, can you unselect it? We are not able to see.
Sorry, sir. Let me increase it now. Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's good.
Yes.
You have written 12, 21, 12.
Correct.
We can use any number.
You can use any number, no issues. Two numbers, any two numbers you can use.
Okay.
Yeah, and that number should not be there in this sentence.
Okay, sir. The number has nothing to do with the spaces or places number, na?
Sorry.
We can select any number. There is nothing to do with suppose in line number 417. Okay. We will not put this number according to this counting these spaces or anything, na?
No.
We can give any number from our side.
Yes.
It should be
this combination is there, right? The combination should not be present in your sentence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Finished. Finished now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you can do is these upper, lower, these functions are there, right? You can try on top of the tables. The only thing what you need to do is in place of expression, you try to use the columns and then tables. From the table you have to write. Okay. The remaining everything will be same. Okay, now.
I didn't understand what you said.
So these upper and lower functions are there, right?
Correct.
So I think we have used, I think these substring functions, char index, length functions, everything on top of these tables, right?
Correct.
And what you can do is this substring and this, what you can say, left and right, even that also we have applied over here in the on top of the table. So for upper and lower, so you can use directly on top of the tables itself. So what you can do, you can take any table which has some description. Okay. Select star.
Yesterday what you have shown, no?
Yeah, we have here some description, right?
Correct.
So if I want to apply like first character should be upper and the remaining characters should be lower. So earlier we have applied for a single value, correct? Now if I want to apply for this entire table, what you need to do, just put a uppercase, Okay, first use the left function to get the first character in each and every row, right? And do a upper. Okay.
Yeah.
And then right you can use, and then do the lower, and just do from class. So basically you should apply that upper and lower on top of the table.
No.
Okay, so it's very easy, you can do it. Okay,
We'll do it.
yeah. And there are some scenarios will come in such a cases, again we'll use these string functions. Okay, yeah. And now we can go for next operator. This is the operator, guys, like operator. Write down. So I think we have written some operators, right? Greater than, less than, in between, and, or, like, not like.
Between.
Yeah, between. We have written it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Can you please write down like operator side heading? Because this will help us actually in many cases. Like operator. And employee department. Just a second, let me just see the data so that I can explain on top of the data. There is one table where we will be having first name, last name, everything.
In person, I think.
Person table, correct? Person, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay, let me apply over here this like. Okay. Yeah, for an example, the question will be like this. Okay, write a query, write down, write a query to find out all the first names which starts with R letter. Write a query to find out all the first names whose first name starts with R letter. Okay, na? Basically we need to filter it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here they are saying that, see, there are so many first names are there: Ken, Terry, Robert, Raw, something like that. Okay. So, but they don't want all the names. They need the names whose name starts with R actually. Okay. So
Okay.
for that we can use this like operator. So where that column name, don't write, just see where that column name like. Okay, that column name like, in single quote we'll put A percentage. Sorry, not A, R. It can be singular, or it can be upper or lower R. That's fine. Okay. Now you can put percentage. What exactly this means, that first letter should be R, and remaining can be anything. It can be 10 characters, it can be 20 characters, it can be n number of characters. But make sure the first letter should be R. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And you can execute it. Can you see the records which are starts with R? Okay. Yeah. Now the another question. Yeah, the first names whose name ends with anything you can take. Okay, something D letter. Okay.
Percentage D.
Yes. So now, yes, the same query, percentage will come, means before it can be anything, percentage means it can be anything, and at end the letter should end with the D. It can be small or small caps, no issues. You can execute. See, there are so many names.
Tell that word.
Correct?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I need don't write it, just observe it. Write a query whose first name starts with A, end with some maybe D. Let's see if we have any names like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It should
Percentage.
start with A and end with D, and let's see.
A percentage.
A percent D.
So now what you have to do? A percentage D, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first letter should be A, last letter should be D. In between it can be anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you have that? Yes, Arvind. We do have. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you please write down these 3 queries and I will discuss a few more.
Okay.
Yeah.
For one doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, in first query after R percentage, in second query before D percentage, what, sir?
Correct. So R percentage is nothing but first letter should be R. Percentage is nothing but it can be n number of characters. It can be anything after R. Okay.
After R, okay.
Yes, and this will be
Before D.
first letters can be anything, first or second or whatever, it can be anything in the
End
first
will
name.
be D.
End should be end letter should be D.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here first letter should be A, last letter should be D. In between it can be anything. That's what it means. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
in second one, sir, we need last letter, na, sir? D.
We need
Last letter D, sir.
yes.
And then first name like D. Where first name like D, we put in where last name like D.
Yes, correct. So if see they are asking only in the one column, right?
Yes, sir.
So if they need in the other column, yes, we can put and last name like D, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can put it. Finished.
We will, sir. We will add and with that, na.
We can add.
Means I want to ask that if we put the condition where condition first name and last name in between we have use and
yes,
clause.
Correct. See, there are some names, right? D, correct. Now if I put let's say last name should starts with M means, then here we'll put what? And last name like and percentage percentage M %.
Sir, after where clause, how many conditions we can put in a column?
You can put any number of.
In number.
Yes. Okay. But if it is true, then only it will give us. Can you see now? The name starts with a percentage, end with D, but starts with M. Can you see whether it is satisfying or not? It's satisfying, right? Yeah, but don't write this one. We'll show you separate.
Sir, like character is sir, like operator is very similar to in.
No. See, like operator will just go and check each and every character actually.
Okay.
Yeah. See, in operator, it has to match exactly, correct?
Yes, sir.
When I put in means first name in Todd or Donald, so it has to exactly match, then only we'll get the record, correct?
Yes,
but whereas in the like operator I can put a single keyword and you can put a percentage, and if it is match some 10%, 5%, 20% also, it will give us the record, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now the next query. Write a query to find out all the first names whose name starts, no, 1 second, starts with let's say H and last name end with N. Bhaskar, can you tell me the answer for this? Bhaskar?
Hello, Anna?
Yes, please tell me.
Anna, question you should change. Anna. First name starts with.
First name should start with
No, you type H, end with.
It is showing as
sorry. Starts with H and last name end with N.
N.
Yes, tell me. Bhaskar.
Anna, okay. But equal to find out all the first name whose first starts with H. Letter and last name. Okay. Select like
Direct like
నా లేదా నన్ను రాసేసావు కదా అని సింగిల్ కోడ్ హెచ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎన్ అండ్ పర్సంటేజ్ సారీ సింగిల్ కోడ్
no. See, I'm asking a particular
last name column name last name single quote open
directory single quote పెట్టేస్తావా?
Sorry, like operator like percentage n.
Let's see if it has something. Yes, there are so many names. Starts with H and the last name end with N. Okay.
Yes.
And if I need one more condition, like where email promotions equals to 0, then
and operator
and email promotion equals to 0. So now there are 73 records. If you go and execute, it becomes 40. Okay. So likewise, we can keep on add a number of conditions in the where clause. Where clause will always do what?
It will filter.
Yes, it will filter. When someone says, bring some records based upon this condition, means blindly you should go to where. Okay, now where optional is direct to where ante. Write down this.
order of execution of this will be from where, like.
Yes. From,
select.
see,
Where,
when you go to from, sorry, first from, then where. So obviously in where class only we do have this all like operators, right? Obviously that will execute in where class itself. See, like is not a class, okay? It's an operator. In where class itself, all these conditions will gonna execute, okay? Yeah.
So in order of execution, these operators will not come.
These operators will not, means it won't come, but it will execute it in where class itself.
But when we are mentioning order of execution, then
no need to mention this like operator.
So from where and select.
Yes, correct. If you want, you can write the below order of execution. These are important for interview and real time, because usually we'll fetch some data like this, okay?
Yes.
Finished.
No, sir.
You know, see, later on you can execute and write down the answers, at least 1 or 2 rows. As of now, it's fine. If you understand the concept, that is well and good for me. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you scroll down, sir?
Okay. Let me know if it is done, please. Done?
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
Order of execution, why is it so important for every query? Yes.
Yeah, because we need to understand how the query is executing in the backend.
Okay.
Yes. And also which columns, I mean, we are using these alias columns and all, right? If you know the order of execution, then only we'll understand why we cannot use the alias columns in where clause and why we can use in order by clause. These concepts will understand. Okay. So if I didn't say, if I'm not explaining this order of execution, right? If I directly go and say we cannot use alias columns in a where clause, means how will you understand? Correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and that too, this order of execution will be very important, for performance tuning as well. Okay, so that is a different concept. When it comes, we will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, fifth question will be, see, what I need is, there is a last name here, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, there is a last name here. Now, I want all the last names, okay, whose name contains bell. Okay. And that bell can be anywhere. It can be starting, it can be ending, it can be in between, it can be anywhere. Okay. Ante, in the name, if we have a bell, then we have to get it, that names. Okay.
Okay.
Bell unte తీసుకోవచ్చేయాలి మనం. Okay na? Because if you see, Campbell last name is, I mean, there are so many people who are having the last name is Campbell. Can you see this?
Yes.
I need to get all those persons. Okay. Yeah. So now you see how I'm going to write the query for this. select from everything is same. I'll just copy and paste. Just a second. Copy and paste it over here, where last name like. Okay, so here what we will do is we'll put percentage in between bell. What exactly it means?
Percentage.
Give the
The bell can be anywhere in the given keyword. Okay.
No, but that statement says like percentage bell person means in between only. It is
In
going.
between means. See, we had given last time 0 to 9 percentage, correct? Okay, now it means that what?
9 between 0 to 9.
0 to 9 can come anywhere.
Yeah.
Correct? This bell also same, right?
Okay.
So it can be starting, it can be ending, it can be middle, it can be anywhere. But bell should be there in the given keyword, correct?
Yeah.
So then only it will come. So you can just see if I'm going to execute how it will come. Can you see? And only bell also is there. It will also come, right? Yes or no? And Campbell is there. What other is there? Sabella is there. Sabella ఇది ఏం పేరు ఇది?
Sabella.
దీంట్లో కూడా బెల్ ఉంది కదా. And only bell is there. Yes, it's there. Okay, now you see here ending will be bell, correct? But in Sabella, in between bell is there, correct?
Yes.
And we have only bell also. Wherever it will be, guys, it will bring that. Okay, that's what this percentage bell means. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. If we give percentage after bell means?
Sorry, percentage like this.
After percentage bell, sir.
Like this only, right?
Yes.
So now it can be anything in the left hand side, but end should be bell. Only now Campbell will come, I think. Sorry. Can you? Okay. Now here you see left hand side, it can be anything, and there no need to have anything also. Okay, but it is ending with bell, right? And Campbell also is coming, and that what is
Sabella will not come.
Sabella will not come, correct? Because it is not ending with the bell, no?
Yes.
Yes. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. And if I put bell percentage, I don't think so any names with. Oh, okay. This bell will come. This will come. Only bell will come, not the Campbell.
Campbell will not come.
Okay, only bell will come. You can see this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, even belly also clear. Why? Because bell should be in the left hand side, and it can be any characters after bell, correct?
Correct.
Yes, belly also clear. Understand? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions here? Anyone? Any questions? No question. Okay, write down the question. Write a query to get all the first names, last names kada. Okay, all the details whose last name contains bell. Contains ante meaning enti ikkada? It has, yeah, this bell should be there, but it can be any place, no issues, right? Yeah. Write down, please. It's easy, no?
Yeah, It's easy. Okay.
It's easy, but real time will use very less because like keyword will be very slow. Okay. Because it has to check character by character, correct? Yeah. But yeah, there is no option. If these situations comes, obviously we have to go for a like operator. Done. Done na? Okay. Next. Whichever is easy is useless, I think. Correct. Exactly. There are many, situations. I mean, many concepts like that actually. Whichever it is easy, we won't use it much. Okay.
Sir, by that logic, then substrings will be used a lot, right?
Where? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because they will mix up everything in single column instead of multiple columns. So definitely we have to use these substring functions, in our queries. Okay.
Yes.
That's why I have took little bit time to explain those substring functions char index. Okay, and you keep on practice. Okay, you keep on practice next 1 week on top of the substring. Even though if you understand, right, you try to take different scenarios and try it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And while calculating that second, third position, fifth position, don't copy paste. If you're really confident, then okay. Okay. If you really understand the concept, then it is fine. But if you simply copy paste, I don't think so. It will be good. Okay. You won't understand going forward. Okay.
Okay.
I know many of the people are copy paste, right?
Yes.
I know.
Starting we have done up to 8 today, then only we can copy paste.
That's what I said. When you type, at least some letters will go here and there, but when you copy paste, yeah, the lines will be in a sequence order. Anyway, that's fine. Next question. So next question intente, for an example, the first letter should be A. Or okay, 1 second.
Sir.
1 second. Tell me.
Sir, usually I copy paste, but only in long queries. But
See, my my intention here or is like you should understand the concept. Okay, and if you're very confident, then you can copy paste. No issues for me.
Yes, I usually after understanding, I know where how many it will take to get this query. Okay, so I same word using so many times, so I copy paste from the previous query.
Okay, then it's fine. That's what. Once you understand, then it's fine. No issues for me. Blindly, if you copy paste, I think it won't work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, select star from table name. I'll tell you the question later. Let's write the answer first. So first name. Okay. So here, what exactly I need is, see, first letter can be anything. Okay. First letter can be anything. Second letter should be L. Okay. Second letter can be, first letter can be anything. Second letter should be L. And then remaining characters can be anything. No issues. Yeah. In such a case, underscore. The underscore means, it can be anything actually. And then L. Second character should be L, right?
Yes.
And then percentage. Now you see, okay. First character should be anything. It can be E, it can be A, it can be O, it can be anything, right? But if you see, every name contains second letter as L. Anna, understand?
Yes.
And also
yes,
here, the length of name should be at least 2 characters, guys. That is mandated. Understand? Because we had provided here L, na, second character.
Yes, sir.
So there should be at least 2 characters. Otherwise, it won't give us anything. Okay. Yes. Now, in the same way, first character should be A. Okay. Second character, sorry, first character should be C. Third character should be I. And it can be anything. Second character should be anything. Okay. Now, in that case, there are some names. Can you see? C. And in between second character should be anything. Third character should be I. And length should be at least. Length of name should be at least three characters. And there can be anything. Correct? Yes. Such kind of questions also may occur. Okay. So now what you need to do here?
Before C.
Sorry.
What if you use percentage before C here?
If you put percentage, no. So now what will happen? So in the entire string, there should be this keyword C_I should be there. Okay. It's considered this as a string. Okay.
Yeah.
Likewise, it should be underscore means
One
it can be
space,
any.
one
It can be any character. Don't think underscore means it's a character here. In this like operator, it will be different. Okay. Underscore means it can be any character. Correct.
Percentage also any character.
Yeah. Percentage also it can be anything.
But here,
here something should be there. See, ikkada percentage ante meaning enti? It can may or may not case. It can be there, it cannot be there. Correct?
Correct.
But when I put underscore, must and should some character should be there. Okay. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
Position fix avutundi kada sir?
Sorry?
Position, the position gets fixed, right? When we
yes,
put
the position,
underscore.
yeah, the underscore position should be fixed. And in that position, any characters can be there. Okay. Yeah. And this percentage, right, may or may not case actually. Characters can be there, cannot be there. Okay.
So if we use like 2 underscores, it's going to consider 2.
Yeah, you can do that. If I put two underscores now, what is the meaning of this? First 2 characters can be anything. And third letter should be L, correct? Yes. And there should be must and should, some characters should be there between the, this, I mean, first underscore and second underscore. Now you see if we have anything like this. Can you see there are some names for us? First 2 characters can be anything. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, sir. I need to look into first name. Right. First 2 characters can be anything, but see, third character should be L.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So write down. So here underscore means what?
Character should be
the character length.
Sorry.
It can be
Any character.
It can be
Any
character. And position is fixed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, what else? I think if you understand underscore, then it is easy for us. That's it. Right now.
Query, sir.
Query. Query to get all the details. Whose first name
Third letter.
Whose first name contains third letter as L.
First 2 characters can be anything.
Directly we can write whose first name contains third letter as L.
Third letter as L. Okay. Yeah.
Then 3 underscore, 2 underscore, 2 underscore.
What 2 underscore?
Third place it will be L. And
yeah, already I have written the query here. First 2 characters can be anything means underscores, right? 2 underscores I have put and L. For this answer, I have written a question. Okay. And this one should be what?
Characters can be anything.
First character should be what? C.
And the third character be I.
Second character will be anything.
Comma. Second character can be anything. And third character letter should be L.
I.
ఇవి ఖచ్చితంగా అయ్యా సారీ ఇవి మ్యాండేటరీ అన్నమాట. So whichever character subject, just can you put it as a single quote, please? Okay, see these three conditions should satisfy must and should. Okay, now after that it can be any number of characters, no issues for us. One more thing here, and length of name kuda undi kada. Length of name should be at least 3 characters. Avuna? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, more than 3 characters. Yes or no? Same for above question also same, right? Of name should be at least 3 or more than 3 characters. Write down this. Mostly interviews lane
So
untadi.
that condition is not required, na?
Which condition?
Should
This
be
condition,
at least 3. Should
no,
be at least
this
3.
condition is mandatory actually. So when you put
It's
underscore
mandatory
underscore,
only, we need not to
when you
write
put
that.
underscore underscore, these places are fixed. First 2 positions are fixed, correct?
Yes, yes.
And third character should be L, right? So which means the name should contain at least 3 characters. Okay, now
Yes.
see if your name is not containing that, it
The
won't.
question only is like that, na? The third letter is L means it will show all the at least 3 letters only.
Correct.
No need to write that should be.
Maybe some other names may contain only 2 characters. In that case, it won't come.
It will
right?
not show, na? It will not show.
It will not
How
show
it
you.
will show?
But this condition should be mandatory. Okay. దీనికి మీనింగ్ అన్నమాట ఇది క్వశ్చన్ కాదు. మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ షుడ్ బి దిస్. ఓకే.
I'm telling that only. That's the only meaning. That is not question.
Yeah, it's not a question. It's a meaning for this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. If you want, you can write down here meaning for underscore L. L percentage. In brackets, you can write length of name should be at least . That's all about like operator. Okay. The opposite for like operator would be
Not like.
not like. If I need all the names which should not start with A means first name not like A percentage. Okay. So apart from that, all other names will come. Okay, na?
Seventh query, third.
Not can be used after where also, no?
Third character.
Where not first name like.
No, you should not write like that. First name not like you have to put. Okay. Query in ela ante raayakuddu. Okay, there is a proper sequence is there. Now you see the names, the first name which does not contains A as a first character, all those names came out. Correct?
Yeah. In like statement only, can we give like not equals to A? It will show.
You can. So let's say the first name should contains like this. And let's say last name not like A percentage, let's say, which means it should contain C_I, but last name should not start with A. And these last names won't come, correct? Which starts with A, it won't come. Can you see this?
Sir, what I'm trying to tell is like not like use చేయకుండా like లోనే not equals to
అక్కడ పెట్టలేమండి.
పెట్టలేము. We can do sir.
Okay, like లోనే not equals to na, maybe let me try. Cap use చేస్తే ఏమన్నా వస్తుందేమో.
Yes sir, it will come.
Not like ఇలా లేదు. Let me try A. I think
sir, you can use square brackets in between.
Oh, it's yes. Okay, you have to put that square bracket, then it is working.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
It acts like not like. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Under a single like operator, can we use multiple filters?
Conditions?
Like, multiple conditions.
No, you cannot. When you use one like, one condition. If you need one more condition, you just put and condition, and you can put that column whatever you want. In one like, one condition, that's it.
No, means in a single column we want multiple conditions. Like
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
First name should not start with A, B, C, D.
Correct. So your first name should not starts with A, B, C, D, na? So yes, then you have to put percentage not like A and percentage not like B. You have to put like this. Okay.
Okay. In this
way we can directly write A to D, na?
That is also there. So we have a this one range, right? Correct.
Okay.
So anything you can write.
Okay.
You can see no names comes in between. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If I one second. What's here? Not like. Okay, it is not like, right? If I put yes, like, only the names which are containing A to D, it will come. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that range you can put. Understand?
Yes.
And either you can use not like, or you can use that cap symbol also. But while using cap, the mandatory thing over here is square brackets.
Sir, can we use like operator with ranking functions?
Right. Yes, you can use wherever it is. Okay, you can use in I mean, you can use anywhere, but preferably this like operator will useful on top of character columns. ఇప్పుడు మన ఇంటీజర్స్ పోయి ఇవ్వం కదా ఎక్కడ గానీ.
కరెక్ట్.
బిజినెస్ ఎంటిటీ ఐడి లైక్ 1%, 2% అని ఎవరు ఇవ్వరు, అవునా? Yes or no? Yes. Usually like operator will apply mostly on top of character columns, not on top of integer columns. Okay. I want everyone to try this like operator on multiple ways actually. Okay, now you know, right, what to do. These caps and not equals to 0 to 9 ranges, everything you can try it. Okay, in the Zoom class. Okay. Maybe if I have a question like I need all the names whose first name starts with vowels. Then
we will put.
How do you put that?
Sir, A percentage.
Like
A percentage.
A percentage.
And then again we can write first name like B percentage.
And first name
like
E percentage.
I percentage.
And R, sir, R.
Let's see, someone said and we'll see.
A, E, I, O, U.
Yeah. You have to use R condition.
Oh, ఒక్క నిమిషం చూద్దాం ఇది వస్తుందేమో.
Okay.
Are we getting it? No.
No,
Let's see. Someone said R, right? Let's use R and we'll see. See, R condition ki SQL server lo మీరు అనుకున్న R లాగా వర్క్ అవుతుంది ఇది. SQL server R should be different.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A single word can't be start with the 5 characters. Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes.
It's working, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is meant by R usually? Either this. First it will execute this.
Either it will not satisfy the condition, then it
Yes.
will move to the next one.
Exactly. First this will work. Okay. If this is not work, then it will go to this. Correct?
Just like go.
That is what R means. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But in SQL Server, R means different. It will work differently. Okay. That I'll explain to you tomorrow. It's already time is over. Yeah.
We can use A, comma B, comma C.
No, you
or
you
A,
should
I,
not
O, U.
use. In the ranges, you should not put A, comma B, comma like that. Okay. Yeah. You try that. You try that and let me know. In the
You
range,
want
no.
to get that. Yeah.
In the range, try that. Okay. A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U. Try that and let me know.
Yeah, it's
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And regarding the R condition and AND condition, we'll discuss tomorrow, briefly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please check your chat box, sir? I have one doubt.
Okay, sure. This one only.
Yes.
How can we replace a function in string like? Okay, what is this? What exactly we have to replace here?
So actually, there is comma and full stop in between
Okay.
the character.
In that case, we have to write two replace function. One is for comma, one is for dot.
For like inner query, outer query, like
Yes,
that,
yes,
sir.
exactly.
But it's
First
not worked, sir. Yesterday I tried with that, but it's
Why?
not. It's
Why?
showing some error.
I'll write it. Let's see whether it will show an error or not. Okay.
Yes.
So select. So first I'll replace all the I'll directly take the keyword instead of variable. Okay.
Yes.
So first I am going to replace comma without space. So now what you will get? You'll get everything, but dot will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Now write here one more replace function, and this whole output will be become as input for next replace function. Okay. And you put dot here, comma, and without space, and done. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, ఇది వర్క్ అవుతుందా? A, comma E, comma IOU. Then you can use this. I didn't try this. Okay, you try this A, comma B, comma C in the range and try it. Okay. Yeah. Either way, it is fine actually. No issues. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Yeah. Okay then. Bye bye.
Yeah.
We'll move to it tomorrow.
Bye,
Yeah.
Bye.